He's a good boy. Hey guys, welcome to day 27, I think it is today. So I slept till 2 o'clock, as you saw. I had my bullet coffee, and then I pretty much ran out the door and went to my kid's soccer game. It was at 3. And I'm home now and I'm really hungry, so I'm going to start making dinner soon, but I just wanted to show you. Last night I went shopping and I picked up a couple of these Good Fats bars. So this is the chocolate chip coconut and the chocolate mint. So I've been looking at these and eyeing them for a while. The coconut, I think, is 4 grams net carbs, and the other one is 5. So I think I'll try the coconut one right now. And yeah, coconut chocolate chip. It sounds really good. So, and you know, although I don't think these are a great thing to eat every day, it's something that's perfect to grab when you're on the run, on the go, for road trips, that kind of thing, or if you're just craving something sweet. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a try and I'll let you know how it is. Alright guys, so here it shows, it's 12 carbs, but it's 8 fiber, so that ends up being 4 net grams. And that's what it looks like. It's not very big, but we'll see. Alright, here we go. It's actually not as sweet as I thought it would be. It's pretty rich. Kind of like dark chocolate. A little bit dry inside, but I don't know, it's not quite what I expected. It's like crumbly. I'm really not very sweet at all, but I'd eat it. Probably also a bit of an acquired taste. But yeah, all in all, for 4 grams, something I can take quickly, I'd say it's not bad. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna start cooking dinner here pretty quick. I think I'm just gonna fry up some big, I think it's chorizo sausage, or farmer's sausage, something like that. And I think I'm gonna do broccoli and cheese sauce, just like you saw me do last week. So I'll start getting that going and I'll show you what that looks like in a bit. All right guys, so here's what we've got going on for dinner. I'm frying up some sausage. I made this cheese sauce and it is actually delicious. I just made that with butter, heavy cream, almond flour. So I made a roux with that, and then I added a little bit of nutmeg, pepper, and then melted some cheese in there. And that's gonna be to go over top of some steamed broccoli, which is about done. I should probably turn that off. And then in the oven, this is not keto, guys. Turn away if you don't want to see it. Garlic cheese bread for the fam. And I think I might cut up a few veggies too, just to add some veggies. This is a really rich meal, so cut up some veggies and dinner will be served soon.
It's pretty vocal these days, this
dinner. And I'm also going to have some of that.
Go on.
Alright guys, so here's my dinner. Alright guys, just going through the drive-thru on my way to work. Got myself my coffee. So I sat around the dinner table for a couple hours. My daughter came over for a visit and we ate all those veggies. And then before I came to work, I had a little bit of deli turkey and a couple cheese strings. So that's really going to be it for today. I'm stocked up on my liquids, my water, my coffee, and then I have my ice drink for like 5 in the morning. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye. Okay, guys. So as usual, we'll end with a really quick snapshot of my food for the day. So I've entered everything into my Fitness Pal. Here's the number that I'm most concerned with. So here is my carbs for the day. It says 43 carbs. I ate 17 grams of fiber, which it doesn't show that on this screen, but 43 minus 17 ends up being 26 net carbs for the day, which is pretty good for me. I can usually stay between the 20 and 30 net carb range. Just a quick look, calories were really good, fat was really good, protein was good as well, actually a little high, but that's all right. Although protein shouldn't be too high on a regular basis when you're doing keto, but I have a lot of really low days, so I'm not going to concern myself with that. So there is my food for the day. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.